Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best bandsaw that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the WEN 2-Speed Bandsaw BA3962. A sturdy, high-quality stand can make or break your experience with a bandsaw. If portability isn't the priority, WEN's BA3962 2-speed model comes with a stand, making it perfect for shops and more permanent stations. It can slice in 6 inches, and create bevel cuts, and although it's not the lightest saw, it only rings in at 73 pounds. The WEN Band Saw has been amazing, wrote one reviewer. I have cut knife scales out of some of the hardest woods in the world and all that I have had to do is change blades. Moving on at number 4, we have the Ryobi Deluxe Bandsaw. This version of Ryobi's bandsaw is an update to its 10-306 model. It now has a more sleek rip fence system, stronger, more reliable hinges, and a more user-friendly dust port. With 2 speeds to choose from, it's a great option for more experienced workers who want to make a solid investment in a bandsaw. Plus, a 5-year warranty ensures buyers are covered for any project to come. I am a professional woodworker, and use this saw just about every day, wrote one reviewer. This saw is rock solid, and when you turn it on, it is dead quiet. At number 3, we have the DeWalt Band Saw. It's hard not to trust a name like DeWalt, and reviewers, a whole 91% of them, appreciate this deep-cut band saw and its carrying case. At just 15 pounds, this portable saw is one of the lightest on the list. You can also purchase this particular bandsaw with a set of blades for an all-in-one deal. Strong motor and adjustable speed let you cut precisely and comfortably, explained one buyer. Good visibility of the cutting face, and the weight of the cutter assists gently in putting weight on the cutting blade. At number 2, we have the Jet Bandsaw Kit. A cast iron frame and 12-inch cuts explain the price tag on this Jet Bandsaw. This meteor saw can handle thicker, larger pieces of wood than the smaller, more compact versions. Thanks to ball bearing guides, there is less pressure and friction on the blades, helping them last longer. I have, for years, owned some inferior brands and finally decided to upgrade to this machine, explained a buyer. I own other Jet products and as I expected, the fit and finish of this saw is fantastic. Setup is very easy, and it has more than enough power to get through the toughest materials. And finally at number 1, we have the WEN Portable Bandsaw. Bandsaws aren't only useful for woodworking, metal can also be cut with the proper blades and right saw. This WEN portable bandsaw can make 5-inch deep cuts into metal and weighs only 14.5 pounds. Although metal is its specialty, plastic, rebar, and pipes are also fair game, and its small size is an advantage according to some reviewers. After using it for over 300 hours since purchasing it, one buyer explained that it is still solid and running very well, adding, "I did have to shim the metal plate a little to get an effortless straight cut, but that was extremely simple." Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.